Hello everyone, I'm Ananya. Welcome back to my channel. I tried to make macaroni white sauce pasta with corn and cheese. In this video, I'm gonna share the recipe with you guys. If you like the recipe, do try it at home and share it with your loved ones. And give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, click on the card above and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Things you will need are macaroni pasta. I'm using semolina pasta. Boil the pasta in hot water for 10 minutes and set it aside. Some corn kernels, a little butter, 1/4 cup flour, some sugar and salt to taste, 1 cup milk, and cheese. I'm using Britannia block cheese. And some seasoning. I'm using KI Italian seasoning. Heat a pan and melt the butter. Now add the flour and mix it properly. Now add the milk with the butter and flour mixture and add the sugar and salt. Whisk it properly to avoid lumps. The consistency of the sauce should be like this. It shouldn't have any lumps. Even if you witness lumping, you can just strain the lumps in a strainer. That is what I do when I make a mistake to get rid of them. Now add the cheese and melt them completely. You'll get a creamy consistency in the sauce when the cheese melts completely. Let it boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Keep stirring. Now add the corn kernels and mix them with the sauce properly. Cook for 2 more minutes. You can add the seasoning of your choice. It's completely optional. It's okay if you don't have any. You don't have to add the seasoning. Mix it with the sauce properly. You can also use chilli flakes if you don't have seasoning at the moment. Now add your boiled pasta. Mix the pasta properly with the sauce. Looks yummy, right? Well, your pasta is ready. Serve it hot. You can also add some grated cheese on top.